Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Garage Reviews. And as you can see, I am actually pretty stacked today with all my camera gear because we are off to shoot a Ford Mustang. Now this Ford Mustang, I can argue that this is one of the best spec Mustangs till date, at least to what I have seen. And you guys have actually seen this Mustang as well in the supercar hunting video that we did. It was actually the first car that we saw, so it's the very same Mustang. And if you are following me on Instagram as well, I actually posted a few stories in which we were taking a whole damn drill to the car, in which we were drilling through the carbon fiber hood of the car. So I'll tell you the reason why we did that in this video as well. Right now we're headed off to the location. I'm going to my car right now. It's parked in the basement, so let's just quickly get into the car and reach the shooting location. Alright, so like I was saying, this is one of the best spec Mustangs that at least I have seen in the Tri-City. Very cool design, and I'll show you exactly everything that we have done to the car. For example, the drilling that we did on the carbon fiber hood of that car. Now if you have been following me on Instagram, you already know the reason. And if you are not following me on Instagram, I'd suggest you do that right away. I'll put a link to my Instagram in the description down below. Go follow me so that you have all the behind the scenes of however I shoot, on which shoots I am, or what upcoming videos there are on the channel. So this is the Mustang that I was talking about. So as soon as you see this Mustang, I'm pretty sure that you remember which video I was talking about. And let's talk about the reason why I was telling you we drilled inside this Mustang. It's because of these external latches. So the original hood of a Mustang is actually pretty heavy because it's completely metal. But when the owner of this car got a carbon fiber hood, which means it is sturdy as metal, but then it is very light. Now because of the light weight of this hood, whenever the car was going above say 150, the hood used to vibrate a lot, due to which we then had to get external latches installed on this car. And so that explains my Instagram story for why we had to take a drill to the carbon fiber hood of this car. But anyways, if we talk about this Mustang as incomplete, it is beautiful. And I think you guys will agree with me when I say this, that it has to be one of the best specs Mustangs out there. This anthracite grey color looks completely amazing, and we have bronzish gold accents all around it. The attention to detail is crazy. Even in the taillights, if you see, we have gold accents given everywhere. The GT logo, we have gold accents on that as well. We have complete golden stripes which go along the roof of this line. Absolutely amazing. These front canards, the aggressive front splitter of this car, everything is according to my likings. I mean, I cannot say this enough, but honestly this is one of my favorite Mustangs out there. But that's not completely what the owner has done to this car. Even if you look inside the car, you can see we have a custom carbon fiber steering wheel with Alcantara inserts. Absolutely amazing. I mean, just look at even the paddle shifters in this car. You can see they are so much more bigger and much more aggressive than what comes in a normal Mustang. Now another thing in this car for sure, which is not a real carbon fiber, but the attention to detail then again looks amazing, because we have a carbon fiber wrap along the whole inserts of this car, which once again just goes to show the attention to detail that the owner has put inside this car. And so all that was just the styling portion of this car, but there is a lot of functionality in this car as well. Like for example, if you talk about the carbon hood in this car, it has 6 functional vents, 3 on each side, for the massive 5-liter V8 engine, because it obviously produces a lot of heat. And especially like a country in India where there is extensive heat, like this state today, it's very hot. So that 5-liter V8 needs to be cooled, and while you're driving the car, these X-Takes are functional and working. Now another great thing about this car, we have Borla pipes, which means that this exhaust sounds amazing. And so if we rev the car, that sounds absolutely crazy. I mean, how good does that exhaust sound? This car, seriously, I mean, not just styling wise, everything in this car is just done perfectly right. Yes, one thing about styling that I did forget to mention, and that is the tire stickers of this car. We have Pirelli tire stickers in this car, which is an aftermarket thing that the owner has got done, and the anthracite black with gold rims and that white tire stickers. Really, I mean, I just cannot get over this car. So that was about this car, but the real reason why I am over here is because I actually wanted to shoot a few reels for this car. So once again, if you're not following me on Instagram, do that right now, because I will be shooting some reels of this car and then posting them on my Instagram really shortly. So I think I'll get on to my work right now. And there is one thing that I wanted to talk to you guys about. If you also want me to like make content on your car, if you have a cool car, or if you have any car that I have not yet done on my channel, done a review on that or made a vlog on that kind of a car, definitely hit me up. I'll put a link in the description. You can fill up a form and then let me know if you want me to shoot one of your cars. That will be absolutely amazing for me. Right now, let's shoot some reels for the Ford Mustang. And so that was one heck of a shoot. We had a lot of fun. But now for, I would say, one of my favorite moments, because we are going for a ride in this Ford Mustang, and I'm going to take you guys along. Let's have an experience of how this car is in terms of riding experience. Alright, I cannot wait. Alright, so this is my, I would say, second ride in a Mustang. I have driven once when I reviewed it for the channel. So this is my first time actually riding in a car. And it's absolutely going to be an amazing experience. I cannot wait to share it with you guys. I absolutely cannot get over this carbon fiber steering wheel. It's absolutely gorgeous. We have the Mustang since 1964 badge over here, which is a staple in every single Mustang. You can actually feel this car, you know, wanting to go. It just wants, it begs the owner, you know, just to push that throttle down. Once you sit inside the car, you actually feel the amount of power that this car has, it's capable of. You can even though when you're not flooring this car, you can actually feel all that power, you know, rumbling inside the engine and ready to go as soon as you actually want to press down the throttle and the car goes flying by. Really, it's hard for me to explain the experience, but if you get a chance to sit in a Mustang, you know, do it. I know this goes without saying, but honestly, just do it. It's going to be one of the most thrilling experiences in your life. Seriously, you can just get that glimpse of how long that hood is, which is capable. Alright. This is absolutely crazy. Those revs building up and the amount of braking power that this car has. OMG. Wow. It's crazy over here, man. Come on. I really think it's time for getting a supercar on the channel. I mean, obviously this goes without saying, I obviously want a supercar on the channel. And it's up to you guys, you know, I mean, just support the channel as much as you can. Push that red subscribe button. Join the family so that we can increase the Garage Reviews family to a whole new level. And then we can get these kind of cars on the channel, showcase all kind of crazy things, all the things that you guys actually want to see. Right now I just want to enjoy this Mustang ride as much as I can. The accelerations are absolutely crazy. I cannot help myself but just giggle when I'm sitting inside this car. It's crazy, man. Wow. And you can hear that V8 purr so very well. I don't know if the mic is able to capture that because the car is very well insulated inside and it's very hot to just open the windows. But honestly, that V8 purr, oh my god. Alright, that's all for this video. I guess this was a very different kind of vlog for the channel. One of the first times that I've ever did something like that. Tell me how you liked it. I mean, would you like to see more reviews or more videos like this one? Tell me in the comments down below. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Share this video as much as you can and subscribe to that channel, like I said in the video as well, so that we could grow the channel as much as possible and get those kind of supercars here on the channel and show you what you guys love. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.